Introducing the latest Attendant vital signs monitors from Direct Supply. Created with feedback and help from caregivers, these new Attendant VSMs feature upgraded components, improved accuracy, easy-to-use touchscreen interfaces, and multiple thermometry configurations. And as with all new Attendant products, they include Bluetooth connectivity and integrate with the DS Smart platform for seamless transfer of vital measurements into your EMR. Follow these steps to take a blood pressure reading using the Attendant touchscreen vital signs monitor. Make sure the resident is seated comfortably or in an elevated position with his or her legs uncrossed and arms and back supported. The resident should not talk during the blood pressure measurement. Select the appropriate cuff size for your resident. As a general rule, cuff width should span approximately 2/3 of the distance between the resident's elbow and shoulder. Connect the cuff to the cuff hose and press the connector to lock the hoses together. Gently pull on the connection to ensure the connection is locked. Only use cuffs and cuff hoses that are compatible with the Attendant touchscreen vital signs monitor. Wrap the cuff around a bare arm or around an arm covered in thin clothing. Position the cuff around the resident's arm so it is even with the heart. The adult cuff should be wrapped tightly enough around the arm so that only 2 fingers can be inserted under it, at the top and bottom of the cuff. At this time, check that the index line on the edge of the cuff sits inside the range. Use a different sized cuff if the index line is outside of the range. Using an incorrectly sized cuff will cause an incorrect blood pressure reading. To take a single blood pressure reading, press the blue NIBP start button on the front of the vital signs monitor. To stop a reading that is in progress, press the blue start button again. The blood pressure reading will take approximately 30 seconds. Systolic and diastolic values will be displayed on the monitor screen when the measurement is complete. If the monitor's sound volume is turned up, a beep will sound indicating the measurement is complete. The measurements will be displayed on the monitor screen until another NIBP measurement is started or until the monitor's power is turned off. For information, including full specifications, or to demo or purchase your own Attendant vital signs monitor, visit directsupply.net. We also encourage you to watch our other Attendant touchscreen vital signs monitor training videos.